Hi everyone, it's John from the Pedal Dad. Today I'm going to share with you a first hand experience with the new GoPro Hero 10. I just got this after work today. It actually just came out this morning. I just want to share with you my first impression, and I want to test out the low light capabilities of this. Compare it to my older GoPros. I brought my Hero 8 and Hero 7 today. See if the low light is worth upgrading to the new GoPro Hero 10. This new GoPro actually looks similar to the Hero 9, as you can see, except that the only difference is the blue name and the blue 10. So same casing, same battery as the 9, new chipset. I'm stoked about this new chipset. Actually have the GoPro Hero 6 before. When they upgraded to the new chipset, they changed to the first GP version. I actually bought the Hero 7, Hero 8. I skipped the 9 because I had a bad experience with the Hero 8. It was actually I couldn't to a point that I could not fix it, so I was a bit disappointed. Then I upgraded to the Hero 10 because I heard that this is the new GP2 chipset. I'm excited about this chipset, so let's go check out the trails. Okay, we are going to be trying out this 5.3K at 60. Alright, let's see. So this is 5.3K at 60. I am using my chesty. I have the GoPro Hero 7 on my helmet. I'm just gonna compare. I will compare the footage later. I'm going to grab the audio from the GoPro Hero 10 so you can get a sense of if it's okay or not. All right, let's see how this stacks up here. There's somewhere I can go down here. All right, let's see here. All right. So this is 5.3K at 30 FPS. I just want you to see what it looks like at 30 FPS. Let me cycle through the next setting. This is 4K 30p. Let me know what you guys think. This is 4K 24. Let me know what you guys think. Is it better than 5.3K at 30 or 60 FPS, or the 4K 30? Let me know in the comments below. I'll find out later, I guess. Alright, 5.3K at 60 FPS. This is low lights in our situation. It's about dusk now. The sun's about to set. sunset's about to happen in the next 15 minutes. I know the low light performance of the new GoPro is optimized for the 4K 30p, so I'm gonna try one more time the 5.3K at 30, see how it stacks up. 5.3K at 30 fps. It's dusk now, sun's about to set. Alright, see how this stacks up. Ooh. Can't see a thing. Oh. Ooh. Ow. Should turn on my lights. Now we're gonna check out the 4K 30. It's about sunset. GoPro claims they optimize the low light capabilities of this new GoPro Hero 10. Let's see how it stacks up. My lights are on because it's about sunset and it's getting dark. It's at the trails. I almost crashed a while ago. Alright, let's see how it stacks up. Whoa. We're gonna go 4K 24. It's 4K 24. Let's see how it stacks up. Whew. Okay, it's almost sunset. I'm recording in 4K 24. I don't know how the low light performance of this thing is. Okay. So it's officially sunset. It's very dark without lights. I want to know how this GoPro Hero 10 stacks up on the older GoPro Hero 8. Let me mount that GoPro to my chest. Okay. Let's see how it stacks up with the older GoPro Hero 8. Whoa, I see that coming. Whoa, should have brought my 27.5 today. Now, okay. So let me know what you guys think. If you like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep on pedaling.